One of the wonderful things about gardening is it really engages our senses. The sights of the trees and the plants, the sounds of the birds, the smells of nature all help us to be more present in the moment and support mindful attention. In fact, the stimulation of nature, so the amount that we see, we smell, we hear, is just the right level that it helps our brains to relax. As opposed to so many other environments we spend our time in where there are high levels of stimulation. We have our phones, our TVs, lots of things coming at us at once. Nature has just enough to keep us engaged, but not so much that it overwhelms us. For that reason, it helps us to be truly in the moment. It also helps to support our creativity, helps to support our attention and focus, because it gives our brains an opportunity to truly restore.